What's up, everybody? Welcome to LiveCaseBreak.com. This is Tim. We got a single box break, 2012 Certified Football. This is for Scotty. Scotty G. Good luck, Scotty. Certified is not easy to open. Alright. Base cards. Alright, there's all your fillers. Fun stuff. You'd like DMX, RG3, and Luck. Tell me later, Scott. Alright, let's see if you got any fractures I missed here. I don't think so. Nope. Alright, I got everything out. Here we go. There's your three parallels. You've got Miles Austin Gold out of 25, 21 out of 25, Miles Austin Gold. Nice card. Rashard Mendenhall Red out of 250, and Fletcher Cox for the Eagles, Red out of 250. Alright, here are your three hits. First up, nice veteran card here, Reggie Wayne, Mirror Red Patch. So Reggie Wayne Mirror Red Patch, that's 49 out of 199. 49 out of 199, Reggie Wayne Mirror Red Patch. Next up is Lamar Miller, Freshman Fabric, Jumbo White Patch, and that is out of 149, 131 out of 149, Lamar Miller Mirror Red Jumbo Patch, Freshman Fabric. Next up, you got one of the guys on your wish list, RG3, Certified Skills Jumbo Red Patch. Oh, Jumbo, it's kind of middle in between regular and the Jumbos. So RG3 Red, that is numbered out of 299, 155 out of 299, RG3. And your auto is a cool vet, Percy Harvin for the Vikings, Mirror Blue. So Mirror Blue, Percy Harvin, and that is out of 49. eBay 101 there, 49 out of 49. Mirror Blue, so low numbered on the Harvin. Nice card, Percy Harvin Veteran Auto. There you go, Scott. Good box there, I'd say. Good stuff. Let me save the vid.